In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for understanding gaming console interest fast and easy. Google Trends is a fantastic tool that offers valuable insights into what people are searching for over time. Let's dive in and see how you can harness its power to track and analyze interest in gaming consoles. First, you'll want to head over to Google Trends. A quick search via your favorite search engine will point you right to the link. Once you've done that, click that first link to enter the world of trends. When you land on the home page, you'll notice an option that says Explore. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to all the detailed trend information that you'll be able to sift through and analyze. Now on to one of the most exciting parts, typing in the console you're interested in. Whether it's the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox Series X or even the Nintendo Switch, type it in and hit the Enter button. This action will bring up a plethora of data related to the console's search interest over time. To make your analysis even more insightful, let's configure some smart filters on the page. At the top of your screen, you'll find options to adjust for location, time range, and categories. Choose your target market from the location dropdown, or go worldwide if you want a global perspective. For time range, you could select the past 12 months to assess current trends or the past 5 years for a longer-term view. Under categories, selecting video games will align your results to the industry you're interested in. Now let's say you want to compare several consoles. You can do this by clicking the plus compare option. You can add up to 4 additional consoles. Once added, you'll see an interest over time graph highlighting how each console has trended against the others. This is invaluable for seeing which console is gaining momentum or declining and where they might intersect in popularity. This insight is perfect for determining which console to prioritize for your content or product listings. Continuing with your analysis, check out the interest by region map that lets you understand which consoles are reigning supreme in different countries or states. This is especially handy if you're planning local campaigns, targeted ads, or deciding on which inventory to stock for certain regions. As you scroll further down, explore the Related Topics and Queries section. Here, Rising shows you what's currently hot, like new models or bundles, while Top highlights evergreen search terms like controllers or exclusive games, great for discovering content concepts or offer ideas tied to each console. Finally, remember that your decisions should be data-driven. Focus on consoles with high or growing search interest, clear regional demand, and plenty of rising related queries. This approach ensures that your strategies are well-informed and poised for success. And there you have it. You are now equipped to use Google Trends effectively for gaining insights into gaming console interest. Fast and, of course, easy.